Hello, New Jersey. I'm Dr. Larry Arbeitman, and I'm so excited to introduce my good friend and colleague, Dr. Jonathan Lazar, who is coming to town April 19th to share his wisdom and experience with our community. Dr. Lazar is a superstar in chiropractic. He's an upper cervical doctor who practices in Ann Arbor, Michigan. He teaches this work all over the country. He lectures to doctors and the public, and he is true gem. And we're gonna have him to share his wisdom with us on April 19th over at restaurant 618. And Dr. Lazar, tell us a little bit about what your plans are for the evening.
Yeah, well, I'm super excited, by the way. The East Coast is awesome. I like the New Jersey cheesesteaks better than the Philly cheesesteaks, right? But don't tell anybody in Philly I said that. Yeah, we're gonna talk about stress. It's the #1 killer in America, and we have solutions for that. And so lots of research goes into this, and we're gonna come just bring to your community things that you can do so you can win at this thing called life and express your full God-given potential. It's gonna be amazing.
It is gonna be amazing. So again, it's gonna be Thursday, April 19th at 6:30 at restaurant 618. All you've got to do is reach out to our office, let us know how many people you want to bring with you, and we'd love to have you there.